Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be something completely different. I first want to wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day, but more specifically I want to wish my wife, Ashley, a happy Valentine's Day. Without you, this channel wouldn't be where it's at. You know, we've grown from a couple subscribers to over 415 subscribers at the moment. If you know YouTube, that requires some hard work. That doesn't just happen overnight. It's a continuous grind, but there's a lot of things that my wife does behind the scenes that you guys don't see. For example, we were sitting here one day and we were talking about a YouTube name. She's the one that actually came up with the name, with Hanging with PA. She's the one that also came up with the design of Hanging with PA. Created the name, made the design, made me my shirt. I said, hey Ash, I really would like to have some beanies when I'm out there shooting these videos. She's like, say nothing less. She went ahead and got my order placed with the beanies, with the logo. They turned out phenomenal. I love these things. Hopefully I will be doing some hats in the summer. A lot of people actually reached out to me in DMs and on text messages. Hey bro, can I even buy a beanie? And I'm like, they're really not for sale at this moment. So not just creating all my logos and all that stuff, she's also created me this freaking awesome planner, guys. So you guys can see how professional this is. And you know, that's something that as a couple, we always try to achieve, no matter what we're doing. She's just been a tremendous help to this channel. Thank her from the bottom of my heart for everything that she does.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy.
Happy Valentine's Day, Ash. We love you. And that's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.
Peace.